Hello everyone, this is Chris McCarthy with Eide Technology Consulting, and today we're going to walk through how to add a custom field onto a form within NetSuite. And this is intended for any users of NetSuite looking to further configure their accounts by adding custom fields so that you can start reporting by different pieces of data that don't come inherently with the system. So let's get started. We want to start by adding a custom field for the website for our customer record. So let's pull up our customer record, pull up Smith Supplies using our global search bar here. And the first step here is to go into edit mode. And to do that, you click this button in the top left corner in order to get into that particular setting. If you don't see that button there, that means you don't have the permission to be able to edit this form. And if you do need to have that permission, simply just contact your system administrator and they will help get that set up for you. So in order to add a custom field here, what we want to do is move our mouse over to the top right corner and hover over the Customize button. And from here you have two selections: to customize the form or add a new field. We want to add a new field. So we will leave here and enter the custom entity field screen. So the first thing that we need to do here is add the label for the field. So this is going to be the web address for our customers. And then the second thing that you want to do is designate the field type. So there are lots of field types that come with NetSuite, but because this is going to be a web address or a website link, we're going to use the hyperlink type. It's very important that you make sure to use the correct type in order to facilitate the correct field being set up for you. Over here on the Applies To sub-tab, you have the ability to actually push this field out to different records as you set this field up. So it eliminates the need for you to have to go and do this process for multiple records. You can do it all from the custom entity field here. Next thing we want to do is select our display options. So under display, we have the ability to choose what sub-tab. We want to put this under our main sub-tab, and we can choose a display type. We're going to go with normal, but you also have inline text, disabled, and hidden all as options available to you. And then you can even choose something like insert before, so you can put this field before a specific native field of the form itself. We don't need to select this, but it's something that you can do to help drive a better configuration quicker. Okay, so we're just going to save this, and now let's use our Recent Records tab to pull up the customer record and see where that field has displayed. So you can see our web address custom field has been placed on our customer record, so we're halfway there, but it's not quite where we want it to be. Maybe we want it to be under the email, phone, and address field group, or maybe we want it under the primary information group. In order to do this, very similar to how we added the field in the first place, we're going to edit this form yet again, and we're going to hover over to the Customize button in the top right corner, and we're going to click Customize Form this time. So this will take us to our custom entry form for our customer record, and we want to go and find that field. So we'll select Fields. We'll select the sub-tab this applies to. This is the main sub-tab we're looking at. Scroll down, and we can see our web address field is down here at the bottom. So let's move this to a field grouping that is relevant for this field, and then you can even drag and drop the fields to further configure your display to your liking. So we put it under our email field here for the customer record. So let's save this and see how it looks. Use our Recent Records one more time to pull this record up. And then here you can see our web address field is now where we would like it to be under the email, phone, and address grouping on the record. So now we can add our data to this field, and this is now a field that can be used for the website. And notice that because we chose hyperlink field, that drove how this field was going to react when we put in the web address URL. So again, very important that you select the right type for your custom field. And if you have any other questions regarding how to add custom fields to your NetSuite account, please click the link below or utilize Help Center or Suite Answers. Thank you and have a great day.